Narito tayo ngayon sa Makati Coliseum kung saan sinasagawa ang canvassing dito ng City Board of Canvassers at so far yung sitwasyon dito kasi is 97% na yung natatransmit na data. And meron pang 7 voting precincts na hinihintay, pero ang nangyari ay nag-move ang camp ni ni Senator Nancy Binay na pwede magkaroon ng partial proclamation na mayor dahil ang kanilang argument ay hindi na maapektuhan yung lead ng for the mayoralty race with those 7 polling precincts. Ngayon, naging problema naman doon ay initially yung kanilang motion was through a handwritten paper, pero ang request ng BOC has to be printed or typewritten. So yun yung naging hinintay, and nandito na ngayon yung typewritten na motion. So ito ay pinaproseso na ng CBOC, and anytime soon ay ipoproklama na partial proclamation for Makati Mayor Senator Nancy Binay. At yung for the Vice Mayor race naman, ang leading ngayon ay si Kid Peña, pero they have a different camp for that. For now, partial proclamation lang for Mayor ang kanilang naging motion. For the councilor race naman, ay hindi muna nila rin ito ipapaproclaim dahil yung 7 polling precincts na yun ay crucial pa para dito sa results na yung 7 polling precincts na yun na wala pa ay crucial pa. So mga kasama natin ngayon yung madaling araw ang ating kasama natin yung outgoing Senator Nancy Binay, and of course ang ating Mayor-elect. Ma'am, good morning po. Live po tayo sa GMA. Senator, ano po ang pakiramdam niyo po ngayon with the results of the election so far?
Really, kasi parang finally natapos na yung bilangan, and niintay na lang natin yung proclamation.
Okay. So, ano po ang magiging, your administration? What would be your priorities? Ano po ang yung magiging focus?
Well, syempre, ituloy pa rin natin yung social services that kung saan kilalang
Okay po. Tapos, ngayon po, you also celebrated your birthday. May happy birthday ba? What would be your message po for everyone who voted for you?
Salamat doon sa big gift sa akin. Kasi every sinasabi ko isang boto nila. So enough, pinagbigyan naman nila. Maraming salamat.
A bit question, ma'am. Yung for the transition, what would be the approach mo natin sa transition with the previous administration and your system?
So I guess I need to form a transition team then on my end. Kasi parang sa interview naman ng sister ko, sinasabi niya na ganun din yung gagawin niya on her end to form a transition.
Thank you very much, ma'am, and congratulations on your proclamation. So, Mayor-elect po ng Makati, si Senator Nancy Binay. Thank you po. So we're expecting the proclamation anytime soon na. So ito ang latest na sitwasyon mula rito sa Makati City. Pamalagra po ng GMA Integrated News. Dapat totoo para sa eleksyon 2025.